Welcome back, filmmakers. My name is Kyle Kendrick, and in this channel you'll find anything and everything filmmaking. So, let's go ahead and get started on that. And today we're gonna go ahead and check out what happens when you get two different filmmakers, two different styles, who use the same camera in one day. We use the same shots and see what happens when they edit the same video. What tone, what type of feeling you get from the footage. It's different aspects of different personalities when you edit. It's gonna be very interesting, so let's go ahead and check that out right now. First off, we're gonna show my friend James, he's the one that filmed with me, his version and edit of the film. We use the same exact music, we use the same exact camera, we use the same exact aspect ratio, so let's go ahead and check that out. Boom! Now that's a different style than what you usually see from my stuff. Now, let's go ahead and check out mine. And now that we finished both, let's go ahead and talk about it. So the funny and interesting thing that we both kind of did within our own little edits is that we chose different lengths and chose different shots. So the reason it's kind of funny is that we kind of chose shots that didn't really show us that much, because it's kind of weird, I guess. As people who are behind the camera, I guess when we edit, we don't really like to see ourselves. That's why whenever I edit my videos, I'm just like, oh my god, I sound like that? But, oh god, hair. But it shows both of our creativity, it shows both of our film styles, it shows all of our tones that we usually have. If you look at anything that he's made or anything I've made, it shows our style from our edit really easily. Even if we chose the same music, I chose the one with synth, he chose the one without synth, so it's even more funny that we chose different styles of music of the same exact music because there's two versions of it. Now, that's really cool in my opinion because of the fact that like art styles can be shown no matter what. So this video is kind of just a way to show you guys that you can have creativity and have fun with cameras and filmmaking in general, and also show your own personality. So always add substance to your videos. That's basically the main moral of this whole story or video. But it's just really interesting to see that there are different creative styles. Another form of difference that is shown in this is the coloring. He likes really silhouetted tones and I like really bright tones, so it shows that too, due to the fact that we're able to color grade in our own way. And I love the differences of that because color grade is important to set tone, and not a lot of people appreciate it and just use the basic teal and orange look, and everyone got tired of that. I mean, everyone's in YouTube still kind of uses it. I somewhat use more fall tones, as you can see over here. I love that lightning bolt. It's my favorite thing. But now to get back into the subject, the different tones can be shown through that, and we get to do that as well. So it's really cool to show different creativity. With that being said, I'm actually gonna try and put all the clips that we used down below, and hopefully you guys can make videos out of it, and I'd like to really see it. So post them down below. I would really love to see them and probably review them at some point. It'd be really cool. And other than that, I think that's it. Yeah, that's all I could get from this analysis kind of both of our footages. It's really cool to see filmmakers kind of team up and then do different edits. I want to do more of this if we can do more of these in the future, but that's for another time. So that is it for now. Yeah. So bullet point morals: show your creativity, show your story through the footage that you make, because that's what makes filmmaking beautiful. But yeah, that's it now. So I'm gonna leave it at that. Again, comment down below if you guys need anything reviewed or anything like that. Any video suggestions, I'll take them down below. And then also, if you guys need any filmmaking advice, down below as well. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead and show your appreciation by liking that like button and then subscribing to check out my channel. Check out the videos, maybe some of them will help you out through your filmmaking journeys. Now, other than that, if you guys like anything that I used to film this video and the b-roll and whatnot, please go ahead and check down in the descriptions below, because all those links will help me out and at no cost to you guys. But if you guys find a different price that's better, go ahead and do that as well. But other than that, dream on.